Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear apprentices trainees from different industries of Faisalabad and peripheries. Today I am going to deliver you a lecture on very important class of dyes, which is bad dyes on cotton. When a customer, either that is local customer or he is an exporter, demands from the dyeing mill, from dyeing units, that this product, this fabric has to be dyed with such kind of dyes which bears all-round fastener properties. All-round fastener properties.
Yes.
So when this is demanded by the customer, ultimately you will have to select bad dyes. Bad dyes, it is more important. There are two examples of its importance. In Pakistan, I will discuss Pakistani production. I don't know about Bangladesh, I don't know about India, I don't know about, because I never ever visited over there. In Pakistan, all military uniforms are dyed with bad dyes.
What?
All military uniforms are dyed with
Bad
dyes. Number two, you are a supervisor. You are a supervisor from different industries. Come here for training, for getting 3 years of apprenticeship training diploma in textile dyeing and bleaching. This is your advanced class. You must be aware of the importance of bad dyes. You will have to face this, inshallah, very soon, when you will become a supervisor or assistant shift in charge or dyeing master. You will have to face this. You will have to dye with the bad dyes, because randomly the parties, the customers, the exporters demand. And for every class of dye, from 13 dyes of classes, from direct to cellular bad dyes, this is the most costly dyes. The rates are very much expensive, because with this kind of dyes, the fabric prepared by the bad dyes is of all-round fastener properties. I have repeated all-round fastener properties. Let me explain in brief what is the all-round fastener properties. When the fabric is dyed from a dyeing unit, it is checked in the laboratory. Before dyeing, it is compulsory to check all the chemicals, all the textile auxiliaries and dye stuff in the laboratory. It is a rule. It is a necessity of dyeing department, that whatever the dye stuff, whatever the chemical, whatever the textile auxiliary enters in the factory, it must be sent to the laboratory for evaluation, for research and development, for analytical point of view. After that, laboratory in charge submit a report, written report, to the general manager processing, that these are the chemicals, these are the dyes of so and so traders are okay, are found okay as per parameter provided. Then you will have to dye. Bad dyes is such kind of dye which is not soluble in water. Which is not
Soluble in water.
not soluble.
Water. In water.
Bad dyes is not
Soluble in water.
not soluble in water. There are mainly two dyes in 13 classes of dyes. There are two dyes classes which are not soluble. Number one, bad dye. Number two, sulfur dye.
Sulfur dye.
In last lecture of sulfur dyes, I have uttered everything, each and every information. Even we, not only we, I delivered your lecture, but we practically performed sulfur dyes on cotton with jet black shade, 10% shade.
Yes, sir.
You got that?
Yes, sir.
You have done? Okay. That was a brilliant shade. That was excellent result of almost all students except one. I will not nominate that guy who practically was not up to the mark. It's okay. It happens. It often happens during practical that a couple of trainees could not get the target. Anyhow, bad dye is not soluble in water. To solubilize it, there is a formula. It can only be solubilized with sodium hydrosulfide. Sodium hydrosulfide. In Urdu, in commercial name, it is called ram card. What is ram card? Sodium hydrosulfide, sodium dyeingdyeing, Na2H2O4. Secondly, with this product, with this chemical, this reagent, we will reduce the bad dyes. A reduction process will happen. It will be reduced. First reduce karna. First we should reduce. Then the reduced form of bad dyes is called licoform. Licoform. Which is soluble in caustic soda. NaOH, the strongest alkali out of all the alkalis bases. First, we have to reduce bad dyes with sodium hydrosulfide with specific amount according to the literature provided by the textile dyes company. Then the reduced form, which is called licoform, which is then reduced form of bad dye is soluble in caustic and water. Ultimately, you will have to add water. Without water, you cannot dissolve anything. Plus water. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Bad dyes are soluble in sodium hydrosulfide plus caustic soda, sodium hydroxide. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Bad dye. Why the dye stuffs company? Why the SDC, AATCC companies, which are the renowned authorized companies of the world, to nominate, to evaluate a standard parameters of dye stuffs and nomenclature? Why this class was nomenclature as bad dyes? Because in India, in Indian language, so you can say so, bad is called a big vessel. Bad is the बड़े बर्तन को bad कहते हैं. A big vessel is called bad. Firstly, it was derived from Nilgu tree. In India, it was derived from Nilgu tree. As it was firstly dyed in a big vessel, a big utensil, and it was renowned, it was famous as a bad. Such dyes which are dyed in a big vessel, big utensil, are called bad dyes. But chemically, chemistry-wise, it is chemistry. The way of tactics, the way, the tactic by which we apply this, in this way we can apply. First process is dissolving. This is the dissolving process. First we have to dissolve this dye in this parameter with sodium hydrosulfide and sodium hydroxide with hot water, not warm water, with hot water. With hot water, dye stuff and sodium hydrosulfide and sodium hydroxide. We will make a paste form. Then gradually we will add this paste form dye, soluble dye in the machine. machinery, especially it is dyed on jigger machine. This machine, I have already inculcated you the 3 classes of dyeing methods.
Yes, sir.
Number 1, discontinuous method.
Continuous method, continuous.
Number 2, continuous. Number 3, semi-continuous.
Semi-continuous method.
So, the best way will be achieved in semi-continuous method. The best results are obtained in a semi-continuous method. What is semi-continuous method? Pad stream or pad batch method.
Pad.
I have told you in the last lecture. Pad batch or pad stream, pad roll. Semi-continuous. Semi-continuous. Example. Pad stream. Pad batch, pad stream, pad roll. Roll is also included. Okay, got that?
That's all.
You have followed my words?
Yes, sir.
These are the machineries on which we can dye. The actual method of dyeing is this, that firstly we will make a paste.
Yes, sir.
We will fulfill the required liquor ratio in the jigger machine or padding trough.
Yes, sir.
Padding angle, as you know,
Yeah,
you
yeah.
are all from industry, come here for training. You know, you are very well aware of the machine. The drum with the machine agitator, in which we add the different chemicals and different finished chemicals. That is a mixer.
Yeah.
In the form of a tank, from where slowly the addition is done to the required, to the machinery, to the padding trough, everything, whatever is needed. According to liquor ratio, according to required water level, we make dyeing bath, and from big tank, feeding tank, it comes to the trough, from where a fabric comes from guide rollers, from bag to guide rollers, and penetrate in the bottom of a trough, mangle, dyeing mangle, padding mangle, that is called padding mangle. It will immerse in the dyeing solution and then go upward. From on upside there are 2 pressure rulers. Over there it is squeezed up to maximum level as required by the depth of shade and by the fabric quality. Maximum yield and pickup of padding and nip process is 80%. It must be kept 80%. 80% pickup is ideal. So, pad, nip, dyeing method, pad, fabric. I am mentioning fabric. When I say cotton, it is understood. When I say cotton dye, for any class of dye from all 13 classes, you must understand the cotton is well prepared. The cotton is half bleached. But for this phenomena, for this bad dyes, cotton must be mercerized. Cotton must be mercerized. Not enough half bleaching or bleaching. No, the results will be poor. We cannot get all round faster properties. We cannot get the goal. We cannot go up to the mark. When we are not processing the fabric, the cotton, a mercerizing process. You can watch my mercerizing lecture again and again. There are 2 lectures on my Textile Guru ATC YouTube channel. You can again listen that what an important process is that. Fabric must be, one precaution, fabric must be mercerized. Mercerized fabric should be penetrated, should be dyed with bad dyes. When I talk about fabric, you should understand for reactive dyes and bad dyes, fabric should be mercerized for both dyes. For both reactive and bad dyes, fabric should be mercerized. Keep it in mind. Clear? Okay. Fabric comes in rough and padded, nipped means निचोड़ना by the pressure ruler with the same pressure from both sides, from both ends. Same pressure is kept. 25 pound, 25 pound, 25 from right, 25 pound first from left. If we keep pressure 30 pound, then 30 pound from right, 30 pound from left. This is a main important formula by the help of which you can get maximum yield and maximum action result, even result. It will be even dyed. If one side is kept 25 pound and other side is kept 35 pound, so it will not get even dyeing. You cannot get even dyeing. It will be uneven dyeing. Half portion will be darker, half portion will be weaker, because the pressure differs here. The pressure must be same from both sides. Keep it in mind. It is a tactic. It is a guru of my textile guru ADC. This is good for you.
Yes, sir.
Keep it in mind. Pressure must be same. When you pad, then nip means nichorna. Pressure, when you press the fabric, dipped fabric, it is squeezed. The maximum surplus color is squeezed, and then the 80% color yield is up to the fabric for reaction. Then it is rolled on. It is rolled on. It made a badge, and badge under polythene sheet, a heat up to 60-70 degree is given 30 minutes according to depth of shade. According to depth of shade, you specify the time margin: 60 minutes, 45 minutes, 75 minutes. It depends upon the depth of shade. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Then after 1 hour rotation, and one more thing, precaution: the roll must be in rotation form. The roll batch after dye. This is the roll fabric. It must be in rotation form. It must be in rotation form to a specific, to a quantified, to a quantity, to a specified RPM as set by the dyeing master. RPM must be set by the dyeing master, not you.
Yes.
He will finalize, he will decide what is the type of fabric, 76, 68, 30, 30 or 120, 90,
Yes.
46, 46. I came across outstanding quality in Rahim Textile when I visited over there last week to my class fellow. He is a GM processing over there. He showed me a fabric with quite excellent luster, excellent fall, excellent finish, excellent softness, glazing, everything was out of the order. I asked, what is the quality? He said 120, 100, 120, 100, 46, 46, 120, 100, 46, 46. It means 120 was 100 left. Top quality, excellent, top most quality. Here, ordinary exporter used to dye 676, 68, 30, 30. This quality for export.
Yes.
But this was outstanding quality. 120, 100, 46, 46. I was amazed of. If the fabric is well prepared, if the fabric is well prepared from inner unit, by investing maximum revenue, maximum, as you know, Jinna Godona Mitha, the result is oriented, the result is outstanding.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
It depends upon the quality, required temperature achieved, then common salt addition is done. Common salt addition must be feeded, must be added to the dyeing bath in 2 portions. Half portion in first round and half portion is second. This is a method of jiggle that and jiggle that. The common salt, sodium chloride, will act as an electrolyte. As an electrolyte. It is compulsory. Then after dyeing, like sulfur dyes, it requires oxidation process. It requires oxidation process because
Any question?
the bad dyes was in oxidized form, in powder form, insoluble water. Now we have exerted some chemicals to it to convert it into water soluble with sodium hydrosulfide and sodium hydroxide. Then it was ready to go on fabric, mercerized cotton, and reaction. Now the reaction is complete, dyeing method is complete, but the dyed bad dyes are still over there in the form of reduced form. We have to reconvert it in oxidized form. If we don't, it will wash out. If it is this process is
Right, sir.
procedure for finishing, coloring, everything, and without oxidation, if you wear these fabric with one washing, with surf excel, everything you can say with surf soda, the dyed fabric, the bad dye will be stripped off. The shade will be vanished because this is reduced from soluble in water. When water and detergent includes, it will wash out. Now this dyed fabric, bad dye reduced form is applicable, applied on this fabric. When dyeing process is complete, it has to be developed. Again, this is two-phase process, phase 1 and phase 2. In phase 1 we have dyed the fabric. Phase 2 we have to develop this. How can we develop? With the oxidation process. Develop. Oxidation process. What is oxidation process?
Any question, please?
What is oxidation process?
What is
We have done sulfur dyes. Who can tell me? Oxidation process. Stand. Shabash. With hydrogen
Peroxide.
treatment is called oxidation process. Clapping. How much temperature given to the oxidation process? Hamza. How much temperature given to the oxidation process? 50 degrees centigrade. How much time? How much time given to oxidation process? 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Good. 30 minutes. So oxidation, in oxidation process, development process, H2O2 0.5% OWF at 50 degree for 30 minutes. Then after this, one more process is required. This is not final. Dyeing is not still done. The process is not finished. After dyeing, after finishing, after developing oxidation, you have to wash it with washing off chemical. That is a non-anic detergent. You can say so. I can quote the examples of such companies. For example, I can say so. CHT, Maruma DP. Maruma Lipadol, SK.
Yes, sir. Right, sir.
Ultrasound SK, Lipadol SK, Maruma DP. These are excellent washing agents. Washing off, soaping off. These are called soaping off.
Soaping off.
Soaping off.
Or washing off chemicals.
Washing off chemicals.
Washing off chemicals.
Yes.
With 0.5 to 1% quantity. 0.5 to
1%.
1% OWF quantity at बॉइलिंग तक जाना, उसको बॉयल करना है उसके साथ, ताकि so that the surplus unfixed bad dye fabric from fabric is removed. The same phenomena you can dry it in reactive dyes, hot brand, cold brand. There are again three classes: dry sulfone, bifunctional, and MCD, monochrome drying. In all three classes, and wet dyes, calisol form either or powder form for both classes. You have to perform after dyeing a soaking process, washing off process, to eliminate, to skip off, to get rid of unfixed bad dyes, to get rid of
Unfixed bad.
Washing off process
Yes.
Yes, yes, sir.
to remove unfixed bad or reactive dyes. Clear? After this, you have to again wash it twice
Dilute, touching.
with hot water and with cold water. And now your fabric is ready to be proceed for finishing process, current drying, finishing,
Yes.
standing, everything, whatever is required by the customer. So guys, this was a important lecture
Yes.
on bad
Bad
dyes.
dyes.
So kindly read out 3 times.
Inshallah.
At least
Inshallah.
you have to read out 3 times.
We
Today
will
again,
prepare
today
very
again. Before lecture, you did it.
Yeah.
Once again, you will have to read out again
Right,
2
sir.
times, so that
Right.
it inculcates in your mind. And just watch on my whiteboard.
Yes.
Have a picture. Just have a picture of this, and you have to recall everything what I have uttered. So I hope you have got my words. You are all satisfied?
Right, sir. Right,
Is there
sir.
any question? Is there any question?
No.
Yes.
No, sir.
Right, sir.